Now, diabetes. The hormone insulin produced in pancreas controls the level of a sugar glucose in blood. The hormone insulin produced in pancreas controls the level of sugar glucose in blood. If insulin is secreted in low quantity, glucose level cannot be controlled. Glucose level cannot be controlled. This disorder is called as diabetes. Okay, this disorder is known as diabetes. Symptoms which cannot be ignored is frequent urination at night, increased obesity or weight lost. Reasons for diabetes is heredity, obesity, lack of physical exercise and the mental stress. Okay. Preventive measures: following the proper diet, medicines and exercise under the supervision of doctor helps to keep the diabetes under control. Okay, these are the preventive measures of the diabetes. Come to page number 11. Do you know India has largest number of diabetes patient in the world? India has the largest number of diabetes patient in the world. At present, approximately 7 crore diabetes patients are present in the country. Okay, there are 7 crore diabetes patients present in the country. Now your internet, my friend. Okay. Heart disease. Efficiency of the heart decreases due to decreased blood supply and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscles. Due to this, heart has to perform more work. When the heart has to perform more work, that leads to stress and this may cause heart attack. If someone has heart attack, immediate consultation of doctor and treatment is necessary. Okay, one should not ignore these symptoms, that is severe chest pains, pains in the shoulder, neck and arms, cramps in hands and uneasiness and the tremors. These are the symptoms and they should not ignore these symptoms. Reasons of heart attack: smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, and lack of physical exercise, heredity, mental stress, anger, and the anxiety. Okay? Now, heart disease. See the chart here. Bypass surgery, open heart surgery, angioplasty, heart transplant, installation of stents, and installation of pacemaker. Okay, so always remember: first aid for heart disease. First, call 108 for ambulance. Check the consciousness of patient by shaking the shoulders. Keep the patient lying on the back in horizontal position on hard surface and perform compression only life support, that is COLS. In this press the center of thorax for at least 30 times at the rate of 100 to 120 strokes per minute. Okay. Collect information. You have to collect this information and here is the internet, my friend. Now, misuse of medicines. Sometimes some people take the medicines without prescription of the doctor and without under the guidance of the doctor. Overdose of medicines may affect our body. Example: overdose of painkillers may damage nervous system. Okay, we use painkillers, it may damage the nervous systems, excretory system and the liver. Overdose of antibiotics may lead to nausea, stomach ache, dysentery, rash, white patches on tongue, etc. These are the misuse of medicines. Okay, now come to the page number 12. Now, generic medicines. Generic medicines are also known as general medicines. General medicine known as the generic medicines. These are manufactured and distributed without any patent. So these are distributed without any patent. These medicines are at par in quality. Are at par in quality with branded medicines. Production cost of this medicine is very low due to fewer expenses on research as the formula is readily available. Okay. So here is use of ICT. You can easily obtain the generic medicines using mobile apps like Health Cart and Jan Samadhan. Download those apps on your mobile and use if it necessary. So lifestyle and diseases. Lifestyle includes the daily routine and the type of food. Lifestyle includes the daily routine and the type of food. Nowadays, habits like staying in bed till late morning and going to bed late in night, frequent changes in meal timings, lack of physical exercise, consumption of junk food, etc. have been increased. Okay, due to this, such people are getting sick frequently. If frequency of becoming sick is to be lowered, people should follow right lifestyle. Their lifestyle should be right and regular. It must include sufficient sleep, right food, yogasans, pranayam, and physical exercise. Physical exercise should also be as per one's own capacity. How is how much he is able to do, that much only he should do, not more than that. Okay, by its own capacity. Pranayam and yogasans should be performed under the expert supervisions. Okay. If we have to do so, we have to not do. We have to take the guidance of the expert supervisions. See the videos of pranayam and yogasans. Okay. Now vaccination. Vaccination is important to prevent the infectious disease. To prevent the infectious disease, vaccination is important. Collect the vaccination schedule chart from nearby clinic and you have to study it. Okay. So do you know, Government of India declared the Pradhan Mantri Jan Aushadhi Yojana on 1st July in 2015. Okay. In this scheme, best quality medicines are made available in affordable prices to the citizens. Jan Aushadhi stores are launched for this purpose. Okay. Indian companies export the generic medicines on large scale. However, those medicines are sold under brand name with high prices in India. In America, 80% medicines used are generic. Due to this, hundreds of billions of money is saved there. Okay, hundreds of billions of money are saved there in America. Let us celebrate health awareness days. 7th April is known for the World Health Day. So on 7th April we celebrate World Health Day. On 29th September we celebrate World Heart Day. Okay, Health Day is celebrated on 7th April. Heart Day is celebrated on 29th September. And in the month of June, that is 14th June, is World Blood Donation Day. World Blood Donation Day is on 14th June. And on the 14th November, World Diabetes Day. Okay. So learn this and remember this. Okay. Now come to page number 13, that is understand the importance of blood donation. Okay. 1 unit blood donated by person can fulfill the need of 3 persons at a time. For example, RBCs, WBCs and the platelets. One can save the life of 12 persons. One can save the life of 12 persons by donating the blood for 4 times in a year. If you donate your blood for the 4 times in 1 year, means you will save the life of the 12 persons. Okay, this is the importance of the blood donation. Now, here is the exercise. So, I posted the PDF of these answers in the next video. Okay, study from it.